Hey guys, what's up? In last video, we left our program in this where we have drawn a car and the car moves. So, in this video, I'm gonna show you how we can provide a color to the car, and we are just going to design our scene a little bit more by drawing a straight line for a path and putting some of the colors in our car. So, before starting, first I wanna show you how we can draw a line in C programming using graphics. So just remove this first. First, I'm gonna show you how to draw, then I'm gonna explain you how actually it is working. So I'm writing line. Now I'm gonna compile my program, and we can see that a straight line origin from 0 in x-axis and in y-axis 200 with the length of 400 is drawn here. So now I'm going to tell you how this code works actually. So this is our code and this is our screen. So what is it doing is from horizontal, which this is our x-axis and this is our y-axis down, and x-axis is left to right. So from 0 in x-axis means from the origin, and from y, which is this is our x and this is our y as other graphics. So in y 200, which means let us assume this is the point of origin. So as you know that a line only have length, it does not have any height. So it is just like drawing a rectangle with 0 height. So our line start from 0 in x-axis and end in 400 in x-axis. So it's gonna be somewhat here in x-axis. But in y-axis, our line starts at 200 and ends at 200, because that intersection point will be somewhere here. So that's why our one vertical line is drawn. So we are giving both y 200 because we know that any type of line, straight line, does not have any height. So for that purpose, its y value would remain same, but x value would change. If you want to draw vertical line, this is for horizontal line. If you want to draw vertical line, then x value remains same, whereas y value changes. It is just like drawing a rectangle. So now we have draw our line. So I'm gonna bring back our last code. Yeah, and our line was 0, 200, 400, 0. Now when I compile this program, now we can, oh, for a minute I clear this. That's why the line erase. So I'll put this line also here only. Oh, 0. My mistake, sorry for that. Yeah. Now we have a straight line, and in a straight path our car is moving towards the x-axis. So it stopped there. So we are going to extend the length of our duration that our car moves. So this is, we are moving a car in a straight path. So now I'm gonna show you how we can add color. So first we are going to add our color in this rectangular box. So for that we are writing the function called set color. So here we are going to give a particular color. In C programming we have this kind of index. For black we have index 0, blue 1, green 2, cyan 3, red 4, and so on and so forth. So by using this index we are going to give it color. So at first I'm gonna give you it like 2, and after that we are going to fill the rectangle. So for that we are writing a function called set fill style, which takes two arguments. One is pattern and another is color. What is pattern? I'm going to tell you in another video. So here we only focus in color. So our color will remain the same too. And after that we have to, like when we do like this and when we run our program, then let's see what happens. We get color only in the lines because we have set the color green with values to by using set color, but our rectangle is not filled. So for that, because its border, we have not set its border. So in order to set the color border, we are writing another code called flood fill. So what it will do, it will just flow the colors inside the rectangle within some particular border, which is the edge of the rectangle. So we are giving its x border, that is gonna be 330 minus x, which is the length of the rectangle, which is the x value, origin of x value of rectangle, plus 1. And in y axis it's gonna be 150 plus 1, which is equal to 151. And after that, color, our color was 2. So now when we compile our program, our box is filled, our car's green car is now totally green. So now we are filling the tires. So for that also we are set fill style, it's gonna be 1 and we are giving color 3. Let's see which color is that. And we are again doing flood fill so that we can give a particular border. So it's gonna be 345 minus x plus 1 and it is gonna be 191 and color number 3. So same thing we are giving in another tire also. But we have to change the border of flood fill because this has a different value. So it's 375 and the in x-axis and y-axis value is same. So this is how we are going to set color in particular graphics, either it is rectangle or in circle. Oh, look, when we do not give the graphic properly, like here we have 345. Like when we do not give the graphic properly, then this is going to happen. So here we have 330 plus minus x, 330 minus x plus 1. This is for rectangle. So for this circle we have given 345 minus x plus 1, 191. That's also correct. Here 375 minus x plus 1, 191. And why it is showing that kind of error? Let's try like this. Our first tire color has leaked. Let me see how. 345 minus x plus 1 in x axis in y axis. Okay, I like this. Yeah, because that is because we haven't given a color. We didn't set the color for that. We just only set the color for the first one. So in second one we did not set any color. Without setting, we just give it a flood fill or we just give it a border of color green, color cayenne. So that's why the color just jumped out of the circle. So it was not inside the circle. So it covered the whole screen. So in order to give that, for this both we have the same color 3 3. So it is not necessary to initialize the color again for this. But for this we have the color 2. But here we are assigning a new color in flood fill. So the thing is, whatever color is in the set color, it should be same with the flood fill color. Otherwise, it is got that color will be totally in the screen. So now when we run our program, then we can see that our car is moving towards the x-axis, origin of the x-axis by, and it is totally colored. So that's all for today. So you can add any kind of graphics there, like you can add a bus stop or something. So in next video I'm going to show you how you can write some text inside your graphic, like in the rectangle or in a blank screen, blank console screen. So that we are provided, we can just assign like some place name, or we can just put there a signboard or something like that. So for that, stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.